I am Maggie Chilsen. I am a clinical research coordinator with the Clinical Trials Institute at UW. What I do here at UW for Clinical Trials Institute is mainly falls under protocol implementation. So at the beginning of a study, we kind of look at how a protocol can be implemented here at UW. So how it will all work out. That means, looking at the resources that are available, the costs of different things, procedures, space, time, the different people who would be involved, and then getting to work with everyday people or participants. So from a recruitment standpoint, we might be looking at reviewing or creating recruitment materials, working with patients to see if they're interested in participating in a clinical trial. And then if they are, we go through the consent process, and then we do visit scheduling, conduct visits, collect data, and do some data entry, and then as well as paperwork to maintain the record and make sure that everything was done correctly. I think it's this really cool intersection of curiosity, innovation, cooperation, compassion, and courage. So I fell in love with science at a young age through that discovery that it was looking at things carefully and closely to see how things work. And that is kind of what that all fits in with clinical trials, is looking at things carefully to see how the body works, see how different chemicals interact with the body, see what healing looks like, and taking those ideas to make people's lives better. Clinical trials is where those things all get really tested out to see if we can answer questions about how to help people live longer, be healthier, spend more time doing the things that they really enjoy. And then it's also the compassion and courage of the participants, taking a chance on this new idea that hasn't been tested out yet, to see whether it's going to work, and having that courage to see if it might work for them. But also, ultimately they're putting other people, strangers, ahead of them in a way to see, if what they're doing can help answer questions for the future, to help other people thrive and succeed in their health. That team atmosphere. Everyone is always working together, kind of comes back to that cooperation of, really trying to learn new things and figure out what the best way to do things are, taking something that might seem difficult or impossible, but really figuring out how all of these pieces will fit together, learning about all of the expertise that different people have and their willingness to share that. And even though there's different things that we're all good at, it's all coming together and really working as a team to make something new happen, with all of, with the betterment of other people in mind.